Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku with 2 stars in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 24th, 2021. Yes, actually it's today Sunday, but Sunday we don't receive any newspaper here, so I will continue with the rest of the puzzles and Sudokus in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. All right, and this one is a 2 stars Sudoku number 2691. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have already counted 26. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. I see here in this row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 and a 2 in this big square. So no 4 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. Then the following step, we see here 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then, how about the 5 in this row, 5 in the second row? So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 4 missing numbers in this column? 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 9. All right. Was 6. Yes. 6, 4, 8. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. All right. Then, this is 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 8 and a 6. All right. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 numbers all right. Yeah. Let me see. 1 7 7 7 1 7 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 1 goes there. All right. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number here in the third row is the number 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 6 and 8. 8 or 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. All right. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. All right. Okay. Yeah. 5, 5, 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. We see here 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. All right. 249, 249. Okay. 9999. Yeah. 1 and 8. Let me think. 1 and 5. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. About the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. All right. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 8. 8. 1, 2, 8, and 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in this row and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. 1 and 8. 1, 8, 2. 1, 8, 2. 1, 8, 2. Yeah. I'm scanning. 8, 8. Yeah. Yeah. 6. I think I need to put some numbers. It's taking too long. 4. Yeah, I need a 4 here. Okay, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So the only place for the 2 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 1. Alright. One box left in this third column for the number 1. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. Alright, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright, and this box should be in a 7. No, 7 we have. The 2 is missing here. Yes, in this row, the 2 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I have here 1 and a 5 marked. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Alright, now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, then 9 and a 2. Alright, 9 and 2. And 9 and a 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be the 1, and this box should be a 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 9. Again, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku with 1 minute, and I'm very, very pleased with solving this puzzle. And the time, of course. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you then. Bye bye for now.